the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Colleagues and students, Assalamu alaikum. The month of Ramadan, the month of blessing and mercy, has arrived. And it is my pleasure to address you on this very auspicious occasion. First of all, I wish you Ramadan Mubarak and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept our fasting and make Ramadan most beneficial for all of us so that we increase in Iman and Taqwa. I request all of you to make dua for all our Muslim brothers and sisters and all other people in different parts of the world facing hardship at this particular time. Please remember that iftar is the best time for your dua to be accepted. So you should remember to make dua at that time for anybody in the world who is suffering. This is my very brief message to you about Ramadan. And on this pious occasion, I would also like to compliment all teachers and students for doing a lot of positive things at the college in accordance with the expectations of the college community. As the teachers have been working diligently and extremely professionally to assist the students to reach their optimal academic and moral potentials. The school captains and prefects exercise a very, very high sense of responsibility and leadership to ensure effective functioning of the school as a whole. In fact, they have been helping out the teachers tremendously this year to ensure that things are going right at the school. A majority of the students deal with their teachers respectfully and with formality. Senior students are attending extra classes regularly and on their own accord without any pressure from anybody. These are some of the praiseworthy things that are happening at the school this year. Let us pray to Allah to grant us further success and increment in all the beneficial things that we do in the holy month and also beyond the month. Having said this, I would like you to understand that no matter how good things are perceived to be or they appear to be, some shortcomings always exist and persist, requiring improvements in our attention. The same is true about our school. As Mr. Riaz says initially that there are lots of good things are happening, but some of the things not so good are also happening. On this respect and on this issue, our head of discipline and Mr. Riaz will be speaking today, later in the assembly. Finally, let us all pray to Allah to grant us success in this holy month, accept our fasting, and grant us reward in the hereafter. I leave you with my best wishes and wishing you a very blissful and beneficial Ramadan. Thank you very much indeed.